Airwolf helicopter assembly. Open attachment package. Wheel. Base plate aluminum alloy support. Wheel screw. Metal landing gear. The metal support is FW450 V2. Install 4 countersunk answer screws. Countersunk screws will protrude one height. As you can see in the picture, it needs to be tightened vigorously until the screw is pressed into the board. Make the board surface flat. Start installation of landing gear. Take out the wheel. Keep the wheels turning. Install the wheel on the other side symmetrically. Start installing the front wheels. Keep the wheels turning. Install the nose wheel landing gear onto the fuselage with 2M short screws. Install the side wheel. Pay attention to the installation direction. Wheel on the inside. Lock with 3 screws. Install the other side in the same way. All 3 wheels are installed. Find this bag of chips. It is used to support the tailbone. Install this wood chip. Stack small pieces of wood together. Put on the inner wall of the shell. Fix with tapping screws. Take out one FW450 V2 helicopter. Unplug the GPS plug first, then remove the tailbone. Next, remove the landing gear of FW450 V2. Remove the outer screws fixing the landing gear. These 4 screws will be used later. Spread the left and right side panels outwards. Take out the landing gear. Remove the GPS module from the tailbone. Paste GPS module on flight control. Plug in the GPS plug. Install the board onto the helicopter. Pay attention to the installation direction. Flat-headed in the tail direction. Install the wooden base plate with MR screws. Reinsert the tailbone into the fuselage. Locking. Insert the fuselage into the shell. Clip the bottom plate into the fuselage slot. Fix the fuselage board with long screws. At the end of the tailbone, there is still a gap that can shake. Cut a short piece of SAM sponge. Fold into our layers. Connect the tail motor plug. Install the tail motor base and screw a screw. Please ensure the tail rotor rotates smoothly. Does not strike the housing. The hull becomes heavy. Increase the throttle. To ensure full power flight,